Hey, this is Cade Courtley with your 4 Patriots Survival Minute. I'm going to teach you some knots. All right, the first one I want to teach you is a square knot. Right over left, left over right. It's real basic. That ties 2 pieces of separate rope together. Next knot I want to teach you is called a bowline or a bowline. What you do is you make a 6. After that, you come up through the hole, you go behind the tree, back down the hole, and like that. It's a great non-slipping loop knot. The next knot I want to show you is called a trucker's hitch. You will put a loop in this end of it. Let's say you're wrapping this around a tree, you come in here, and what that does is you're able to pull and get that super tight. So you get all that tension, you're able to pull, and once you get it where it is, throw a half hitch in there. Boom. Okay, the last knot I want to show you is called a girth hitch. It's incredibly useful. Let's say you have a vehicle that's stuck and you're trying to pull them out. You basically take your line or your rope, you double it up. You come around what other object that you're trying to get a hold of, and you pull that through like that. So those are 4 knots. There's an old saying, if you can't tie knots, then tie lots. So that's your latest 4 Patriots Survival Minute. Now please subscribe to this channel and enable your alarms so you can get the latest Survival Minute videos the moment they're ready. And please like this video and share these tips with people you care about so you can be a survivor, not a statistic. Cade out.